Should have waited a little bit longer. Man, my hair is so messy today, but hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amit, and today I'm not going to be talking too much about my hair, but at the same time, I just wanted to have like a very easy type of vlog, type of content today. I feel like I've been making a lot of hair content lately, and although that is pretty much what my channel is, I just thought I'd take you guys in a day in the life of me here in London. This current place that I'm living at is going to be the last month I'm here because I'm moving into a new apartment next month. So me and my wife, we've been living in London at this particular apartment for about 2.5 years now, and it's been great. It's a nice 2-bedroom out in East London, and honestly, it's not too shabby. However, it's come to a point where, if we end up wanting to start a family, we want to have a bigger space. So we're looking to move into a new 3-bedroom apartment, which we're really excited about. We found a spot really nearby our current place as well. It's gonna be a busy time. I'm gonna be moving a lot of things, and I've taken so many videos in this apartment, which is pretty nice. But I'm ready for a new change. I'm ready for a new space, and as well as a new background that I can actually make a little more aesthetic for my videos as well. Today I'm heading out to go play a game of Padel, so I'm gonna go change, and then we'll get ready and go out together. So this is about my last couple of times in this apartment. As you can see, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the background a couple of times. I have a lot of memories here because mainly a lot of my hair transplant videos was in this apartment. And whenever I revisit the videos, at least I have that memory of the apartment being in there. So it's definitely a bittersweet moment that I'm gonna miss this place for sure, but I'm looking forward to new beginnings. But before that, I do want to show you guys what I was dealing with every single time I would try to make a video in this apartment. So to start out, this was my main master bedroom. As you can see right over there, my computer and my whole setup was, and I don't know if you can notice, but this was the background. I'd usually put like a plant at the back and like some lights over there. But yeah. This was where the magic happened. Another thing is that my baby, which is my ZV-E10, Sony ZV-E10 with the Rode mic on top. I use this mostly for all my 4K videos, but I also recently invested in a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is what I'm using right now. Over the years, I've also picked up a lot of more gear. I'm not really somebody who's like very into buying all these things because there's a lot out there in the market, but I just picked up the most basic stuff for YouTubers. And yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing what I picked up or what I use for my filming, look, there's even lights all around the place that I have to use. I never thought I'd be this person, but here I am. But if you're interested in any of this stuff, it's all linked in the description below. Check it out. Could be useful for you as well, as it has been for me. Who knows, if you end up having a hair transplant and want to document your entire journey, you can do it the exact same way as I did and follow my instructions and follow the way I've done everything. All right, so I'm just gonna get ready for paddle, but honestly, I'm not gonna do anything with my hair because I'm gonna get wet and sweaty anyway. Generally, when I go out, I usually style my hair using Gatsby rubber mats. It kind of keeps everything in place. But again, because I'm going for a workout, it's not gonna really matter as much. But yeah, generally, I always stick to using this main stuff that I do in the morning, which is applying finasteride right here. And of course using Nanoxodil, which I'll show you guys later on a bit as well. Usually in the mornings, I always stick it on my scalp before I head out anywhere, just to make sure, it's kind of planted in throughout the day. And, I am using my own Postgrafts Minoxidil. I figured if it's not out yet, I may as well test it out on myself as much as I can to give people more credibility that it actually works. So hopefully it will come out soon. There are a lot of things that are going on before I can get that stuff approved and out to the market. I'm really excited for it to be out, but it's just a lot of work at the moment. You don't realize how difficult it is owning a business until you actually do. And yeah, it's just a lot of work. But hopefully it'll come out very, very soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. So one thing that I forgot to mention earlier was that every morning I end up taking my vitamins before I head out anywhere. Usually these consist of biotin, B complex, zinc, and iron, and also sometimes vitamin D or fish oil. I try to include as many vitamins as I can because one, I like to stay healthy, and two, a lot of it is very beneficial for my hair. All right, let's do this. So it's a nice bright sunny day in London today. It's really nice out, but paddle is more of an indoor sport here because usually sometimes it rains or it gets too cold, but it's a really nice area and I've been going to it for a couple of months now. It's fantastic. I'll show it to you guys in a bit. Just finished paddle. It was quite tiring. I was on the way back home now, but I'm so like more comfortable just going out even without a hat sometimes. I know like my hair isn't as full as I'd like it to be, especially at the back, but honestly it doesn't affect me as much as it used to. And again, I don't really care too much about what other people think now, but my goal is to hopefully get a full head of hair at the back of my head, but again, it's fine if I don't. I just wanted to make sure that I feel comfortable, and at the end of the day, that's what matters most. It's all about how I feel, and I feel great at the moment. My hair has been such a big part of my identity, and I'm pretty glad that now I don't really worry so much about it. It's really been a crazy experience just getting a hair transplant, and not once but twice, and I never thought in my entire life that I'd be filming myself talking about it to any other person out there. But I'm glad I have, because it's built a nice little community and everyone's on this channel has been so supportive, and hopefully I've given back enough to you guys as well. But of course, if you guys want to keep giving me something, a like would be great on this video and maybe a comment as well. Honestly, I wouldn't be doing any of this stuff without you guys, so I really appreciate every single one who's watched all my videos and checked out my channel and subscribed and checked out my Instagram and TikTok and everything. So definitely consider liking and subscribing if you haven't already to keep following the story of me and my hair. So right after paddle, my hair was pretty greasy and gross. I ended up going for a shower and using my Revita hair density shampoo. Now I'm shamelessly reusing the same clips I've had in previous videos, but only because it is very difficult to film yourself while you shower and apply shampoo on. So I'm using the same clips as before. They're still as effective and the result is still pretty much the same. So that's kind of what my day always looks like. I get up in the morning, have my tea, try to plan something for the day, maybe go for a workout or even paddle. I am pretty consistent taking my aftercare routine for my hair transplant, and I try to take care of my hair as much as I can. Either that or I'm usually just trying to think of ideas and edit videos at the same time to put out good content for you guys. As I said, I am moving houses, so it's going to be a little busy for me, but I'm still going to try to give you guys the best content that I can along the way. I'm really excited to find a new space and basically make it my own and make more consistent videos over time. It has been a little tough with the restraints that I've had at this current place, but I'm really looking forward to moving ahead and hopefully making more creative videos for you guys as well. The last thing I do want to say is that, as always, I'm always here to help anybody who's looking for help in a hair transplant. There's a link in the description below. Try to book some time with me if you're interested in having a chat. I know this video is more laid back and chill, but at the same time, I'm just still letting you guys know that I'm always here to help, regardless of wherever I am or whatever situation I'm in. Hopefully I can help you out, give you some aftercare advice or some clinic advice. Just try to book some time with me and hopefully we can have that conversation together. All right, well, I gotta get back to editing this video. As you can see, I'm kind of already putting all the pieces together. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I hope you guys like this candid version of a vlog. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video at my new place. Peace.